Hello over there at Pacific Coast Landscape and Design Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video, though, you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. Vivid colors, the black background. The navigation is fairly neat. This stays in place and then it kind of scrolls, the section scrolls down. It's pretty good. All the links seems to be working. The contact form, I don't see a contact form here where you could send, for example, a question or any inquiries. I do see emails here, which by the way, I was told to send this video to contact us at pclandscapedesign.com, but yeah, I don't know if you meant to do that. Let's go back to your home section here. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, though, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. And I'll give you an example. Having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol, that is just going to hurt your website. So you want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. And keep in mind that Google algorithms search for a more natural feel of a website. So just be careful on those keywords. What I mean by keywords is, or should I say by your intent keywords. If I jump into Google and I search for landscaping California, better yet, a city, landscaping Riverside, California, landscaping Maywood, California, something more specific where I'm looking to purchase those services, that's what you want to include onto your content. That's what Google would like to see, and that's what's will give you a boost and put you on top of the first page if you do it right, of course. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a pay tool. Here we'll view the back end of your website. This is what you have going on. This, if you go onto Ahrefs' website, and don't mind paying for it, of course, just punch in your website here, and it'll populate what you have. Organically, traffic last month looks like you got 21 people jumping into your website. Organic keywords 32, again with the keywords, you got to be, this is very, very important. Referring domains 30, backlinks 62. The backlinks is what I like to talk about here. When you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website, it's a separate website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR meter here, but of course, you have no data. These are your backlinks. You have 62, but they're not giving you any power at all. Not sure what's going on there. I could explain all day what these are, but it looks like they're not giving you any power. The DR section here would be citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the website in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or even Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And again, this is your DR meter here. On the past 3 months, it looks like you've been declining. That's not a good sign. Looks like your referring domains are going up, but again, it's not giving you any boost. Let's see what your competitor have. Let's just compare real quick. This is your competitor. This is the website of one of your competitors around the area, Past Landscape. As you can see, they don't have 1,500 words, but they do have a couple of keywords, as you can see here. 24 keywords, organic traffic, 25. Looks like last month they received 25 people jumping into their website. Backlinks, 531, which is giving them a little bit of power here as far as the backlinks meter. The DR, pretty much nothing, 23. Citations, 0.2 is not a good sign. You want to keep, ideally you want to keep 1-to-1 ratio here. It's very good in the eyes of Google, just keeping that in mind. They are declining, so whatever they had, I'm not sure if they had SEO in the past, but looks like they don't now, or it's just not working for them. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads. Who doesn't want to be in the first page of Google, right? That's pretty much the companies that are getting all these people coming in all through their website, and that's fairly a good way to get customers in the door. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. This is what we do here in our digital marketing agency. We take care of all this. We give you a boost in Google, trying to keep you in that first page of Google. And yeah. So if any information, any questions, or need any information, contact me. We're here for you. Just let us know. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.